3FUL stove, I wouldn't bother. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I don't know if you watched any of my other videos. By the way, thanks for watching. I don't know if you watched any of my other videos, but I bought a stove from 3FUL and it was very unstable, shall we say. It's not fit for purpose to use straight away. It needs modification. So what I've done some modifications, and I'm just going to test them out now, so see if they work. So I just thought, if they work, it might be worth sharing with you. If they don't, it's back to the drawing board. Right, see you in a minute. Have this little thing made here. It's just a stainless steel ring with holes for guy lines on it. So that's one thing we're going to try out. Also, this is an old socket box. Well, it's like a junction box. So I made that, just see if it, another colour that will go underneath it, like that. So I can attach guy lines that way if the other one doesn't work. Yeah. That's something else to try. There's an extra one, just in case. The other modification is this door. It had really flimsy hinge bolts. They were horrendous. In fact, one fell out and lost it. So I drilled them out, installed these, and it's made the door a lot more. The door's solid, it's stable now. So that's just another thing I did. Just replace these two bolts here. The last modification I did, I don't know if you watched the video, but the actual, I'll just grab it. The collar to attach your chimney to, goes like that. And the chimney, when this got hot, this was buckling and folding in. The chimney nearly fell on me, which I wasn't happy about. So just to try and reinforce it a bit, I just bent a bit of stainless, well, a bit of stainless steel, and riveted it in with stainless steel rivets. I don't like the look of it, but I'd rather it look rubbish. I'd rather it look rubbish. I've still got a big area here, but I'd rather it look rubbish than get burned or my tent get ruined. So them are the modifications I've done up to now. I'll assemble the stove, then I'll get back to you. Right, basically, just going to light a fire in it now. see if these modifications work. Be nice if they do. Save me stamping on the stove, because that's what I'm going to do. If it don't work, we're just going to probably sledgehammer it into the ground as a protest to a waste of money. So let's have a look. There you go. A nice bit of a burn on it now. Battery last 2 minutes. Not doing bad. That seems to be holding it. Then look. The lid's still buckling, but nowhere near as bad. The lid's buckling, but nowhere near as bad. Obviously, the guard irons are supporting it, so that's making a massive difference. Yeah. But when you buy it, you don't get anything to put guard irons on. Nothing. And I'm not being funny, right? If I just put a bit of this on here, you see that? Look at that body mount. So I'm going to do a modification for that as well. Slow burn down a bit, I think. Well, at least it saved itself from the sledgehammer, because that's what we're going to happen next. The doors are miles better fit. They're working. They're definitely working. I feel, well, not safe, but safer. So like, pull them back a bit actually. Yep, that saved it. Modifications seem to work. So if you get one of these cheap stoves, like a lot of people say, and I believe them, but I still have to try to see if there's a bargain out there. You buy cheap, you buy twice, or else you have to make it better yourself. It'll be a bit heavier now with bits I've done, but not much. Thanks for watching. 3 FUL gear mods to make it work. Make sure you use your carbon monoxide sensor in your hot temp when you're using this though, because I can see light holes everywhere where smoke can escape, so unless it's burning with a bit of draft, you're going to get smoke in your tent. Thanks for watching, see you later.